What's going on, you guys? It's been a while since I made my last video. I've been real busy with a bunch of stuff, working. I got a new project started, and most importantly, I got a new baby son. His name is Miles. He'll be out here helping me with this project that I got going on. I have a Cushman. It is from, I want to say it's from the late 80s. I haven't been able to find any other ones that have round headlights. All the other ones I found have square headlights, and those are from the late 80s also. So I could assume that this will be around that same time period. The engine is locked up. It doesn't move anymore. Can't even move the belt. So what my goal is, and I've already got it taken apart. Got the seat off of it already and everything. So sorry without you guys, I'm sorry about that. So what my goal is I want to be able to take the engine off, keep the transmission, because it's got a 3-speed transmission with the reverse, and keep everything basically from the transmission back stock, drive-wise. And I got a Predator 212 engine that I'm going to take the governor out and put in here and mess with the gearing, see if we can't get it to work. Right now, as it stands, this Cushman is heavy. It says down here, let's see. Yep, there it is. Weight with fuel and battery, 1,025 pounds, which I think is too heavy. So I'm going to start by taking off this steel bed, try to make it a little bit lighter. That should lighten it up a whole lot. And then I'm going to take apart this dash area because I want it to be stripped. Basically, my end goal is I don't want it to look like it does now in the end. It is also a 3-wheeler. And the tires are pretty well shot, but they'll work until I know if I can actually drive it or not. So let's just get started with taking the bed off. Okay, so I got the bed taken off for the most part. I don't know if these side supports here can come off. I think they're welded to the frame, this part. So I might have to leave those on. If I do, it's not that big of a deal. I can always put, a piece of wood over the back, make it a little flat bed. Besides that, I got the gas tank out, just sitting right here. I had to use a Sawzall to cut the straps. I haven't gotten this strap off all the way yet, but I decided to roll it out and give it a pressure washing, just to kind of clean it up a little bit. That way it's not as dirty whenever I'm working on it. I've already done a lot to it though. Like I said, I got the bed off, and I pulled the dash off, and I pulled all the electrical out of it, because I'm not going to need any of it. Some certain things I kept the electric still long on, like these headlights, for example. And then I also kept the horn in here for right now. I don't know if I'm going to ever be able to use it, but it's there if I want it. So now you just got to wheel it back into the shop. And I think I'm done on it for today. I'm going to let it dry. Don't really want to be working on it whenever it's all wet. So I think that's it for today. What I'm planning on doing is making this a little series. So this is going to be episode 1 of the series. I don't know how long it's going to be. I guess until it's done, just keep making videos. But if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see the rest of the build, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.